We are going to begin with breaking news. Tonight, two of the country's largest states, Texas and Florida, along with South Carolina and Idaho, are reporting their biggest single-day death tolls since the pandemic began. The number of new infections of COVID-19 are growing exponentially, too, and in nearly every corner of the U.S. That is leading two members of the president's coronavirus task force to call for states to shut down bars and for all Americans to wear masks. But without any official guidance from the White House about those recommendations, governors and major retailers are taking matters into their own hands. Tonight, Colorado and Arkansas are joining a growing list of states mandating masks in public. Altogether, 28 states, plus the District of Columbia, now require them. And today, Target, CVS, and Publix grocery stores are also saying they're rolling out rules telling customers to wear masks, too. And as we come on the air tonight, more than 138,000 people have been killed by the virus here in the U.S., and we've hit this milestone, more than 3.5 million confirmed cases nationwide. If fighting the virus weren't enough, the National Security Agency says researchers working to find vaccines are also fighting off Russian hackers. Spy agencies in the U.S., Canada, and Great Britain say the same Russian groups that attacked the 2016 election are now actively trying to steal data from scientists working on a cure for COVID-19. As you can tell, there's a lot of reporting to get to tonight. Our team of correspondents is standing by with new information. CBS's Janet Shamlian is going to lead off our coverage tonight from Houston. Good evening, Janet.
Nora, Texas recorded its highest death toll today since the pandemic started, 129. Tonight, testing centers like this one are jammed, and we are hearing sobering stories from the crisis in emergency rooms, dwindling ventilators, few beds, and doctors burying friends.
In the overwhelmed Rio Grande Valley, COVID patients are spilling into the hallways, and a conference room is a temporary morgue.
I know people hear these stories over and over, but it's very different when the person that you're putting in a body bag is your next door neighbor for 50 years, your mom's best friend.
Dr. Ivan Melendez says it's almost too much to bear.
You walk into warehouses of people where you have 40, 45 people that are on stretchers, on life support, on ventilators, prone, exposed.
The situation's so dire, 4 Texas counties have ordered refrigerated trucks to help store bodies. Tonight, a top White House health official says closing indoor bars and wearing masks will help shut down the virus.
It's very, very important to really close indoor bars. We know that 50, 60, 70% in some areas are traced to a single bar.
Florida set a new fatality record today, 156 deaths. At a Walmart there, the divisiveness over face coverings as an unmasked man pulled a gun on another shopper.
You have to wear a mask.
Tempers also boiling over at this California grocery, where a man without a mask was pepper sprayed while arguing with another customer. More than half of all states have mask mandates. In Georgia, the governor filed a lawsuit tonight seeking to block Atlanta's mask mandate. More retail requiring them. CVS, Target, and Publix today joining Walmart, Kroger, and Best Buy. In South Texas, so many patients. A hotel has been converted to a hospital. Dr. Melendez says it's grim. And for those who don't believe it,
Come with me, spend the day, help me talk to 37 people's family that died that day.
Respiratory.
the front lines, an increasingly dark place to be. Janet Shamlian, CBS News, Houston.